Josh here at the MDT booth here, SHOT Show 2026, and right in front of me here I've got our brand new DRT chassis. This one is not released yet. This is the first time we're showing it to the public, and we are super stoked about this. It's been hush kind of in development for the last little while, and it's a really cool chassis system. It might look similar to some of the other stuff we do, but the coolest thing about it is that it weighs very little for what it looks like. This is a full tip-to-tail magnesium chassis with carbon fiber, stainless steel. You've got the magnesium, you've got a whole bunch of high-strength aluminum. It's really just purpose-built, complete, dedicated for nighttime hunting, PRS or NRL hunter, and those ultralight situations where you still need the utmost precision. So this is a really neat chassis. Again, it's kind of based off of some of the lineage we've got from our ACC chassis, but really optimized for those guys who are operating stuff at night, doing things in the dark, doing things in terrible environments, but demand that precision. So if we go front to back on this, this is a Remington 700 inlet chassis. It comes standard with a 20 MOA coplanar NV bridge. This is a 6061 aluminum hard anodized bridge that you can remove if you want to. DRT. You've got your full magnesium one-piece chassis and forend with integrated flush cups at the front, and then this is actually a separate RRS dovetail that ships with it, but it is removable and interchangeable if you need to. This is also 6061 aluminum that's Type 3 hard anodized, and you have ARCA lock and RRS lock on it as well as M lock. So basically anything you want to mount up front here, you've got a million different options to do it. And it also ships with an offset Picatinny rail, so if you want to run a PIC 15 or an Impact or one of the laser rangefinders, you can also do that up front or on a diving board. Nice. We've given you every single mounting option up front here, but still maintain the rigidity and also reduced weight. There's a whole bunch of weight saving slots and different weight savings features all over the front here. Moving back, as I said, this one is only going to fit 700 clones, so it doesn't actually fit our factory Remington 700 because we've actually added a ton of rigidity and a ton of material in here, but what that means is you can only fit short recoil lugs. So this will fit your Defiances, your Impacts, your Lone Peaks, Curtises, things like that will drop right in, Terminus, and they'll just bolt straight up, but you do not want to put a factory 700 in this. We've got the magwell dowels in this guy, which are not installed unfortunately right now, but we've got our so standard ACC Elite type magwell dowels, adjustable mag latch, which has become very common along a lot of our new chassis lines. We've also got our mag lock system, which we've previously only ever had in our bottom metals. So this will actually lock your magazine. So right now this is your unlock position, this is your lock position, which means that in the night, if you've got a magazine in there and you're walking through the woods or you've got a clip on the tripod and you accidentally bump your mag latch, it's not going to drop your magazine on you and lose it. That would be bad if you're trying to shoot something without a mag in. Carbon fiber grip on this. This is actually textured as well for a little bit more grip, but we're going to be working on that, so this will look a little different at release. You've got a thumb shelf, which is optional. You can take that on and off and adjust it as you need to. And on the far side is another QD. We've also got M-lock on the side of the magwell. I kind of brushed by this, but this is for switches or anything else you kind of want to mount here, accessible quickly and easily for your trigger finger. So we've seen a lot of guys mount their weapons-mounted laser rangefinder switches right there, or you can have optional things for your thermals and battery backups or whatever you need. This has also got a built-in folder, which is also fairly unique for us. Typically we have a interchangeable system where you can put all different types of buttstocks on, but this one here has the folder system built right into the chassis. And unlike our other folders, this has no top lock on it. So what you'll see is that if you're in the folder configuration, it is locked in place, but it's only held in by friction. All you got to do is just pull on it and then it deploys and you're into your firing condition. Another kind of novel thing about that is we've got two screws here, and this actually adjusts the friction on your folder. So this is something brand new for us. Getting rid of that locking folder mechanism and not having a lockout in this configuration, we want to give users the option to tighten their folder, weaken it, adjust it to wherever they want it to be, but out of the box it should be plenty strong. And then the buttstock is pretty standard for a lot of our other buttstocks. You've got your cheek riser adjustment here, which this one right now doesn't have the tool list, so you would just need a tool, but we also do ship it with the hardware for both of these to be toolless. You've got about an inch of cheek riser adjustment and 2.6 inches on your LOP. So a huge amount of LOP, but still ultra lightweight. These are all titanium components in here. Everything we could have done to lighten the weight and select the best hardware for it is what we've done on this chassis. So we're really excited about it. This has been in the works for a long time. It started as just a funny conversation about, hey, could we do this? And here we are showing it at the show.
And what's the release price going to be?
Release price should be right about $2,500 USD.
Okay.
We're hoping to have them available springtime, let's say Q1, Q2 is kind of what we're we're looking at. 700 will be our first inlet, and then we'll probably do a couple after that.
And when people are searching for it, what are they going to be looking for?
This is the DRT chassis. It stands for dead right there.
Dead right there.
Yep.
Great. Thank you, Josh. Appreciate it.
Yep. Thank you.